How to fix pardon the interruption in Microsoft Store on Windows. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run, type in services.msc, and then press on Enter or OK. And here you'll find Windows Update. Right-click on Windows Update, then click on Properties. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Startup type, make sure it's Automatic Delete Start. Apply and then press on OK. After you press on OK, in here again, scroll down till you find Update Orchestra Service. Right-click on it, go to Properties, and then go to Startup type. Click on Automatic Delete Start and then Apply. After that, simply restart or start if you have not started, and you're good to go. This is how to fix pardon the interruption in Microsoft Store on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.